San Angelo hailstorm among worst dating back to 1995. San Angelo residents are left with shattered glass, roof damage and car dents after massive hailstorm Thursday. This is the largest hailstorm the city has seen since 1995, weather experts said. According to a Standard Times archive story, the 1995 storm happened at the same time of the year, the day before Memorial Day. This time of year is not uncommon to have a storm like this that produces large hail, National Weather Service meteorologist Jim Wingenroth said, but said it was unfortunate it struck over a populated area. Wingenroth said the 1995 storm wreaked more havoc on the area because it was paired with higher winds.